about making time for things that you want or that actually matters to you. I know people who makes time and also people who complains about their inability to make time for themselves. The inability is mostly actually because of being unaware, knowingly or unknowingly. So, how to make time? People always have time for things they want to do, but how? Let's see. Make a list of things that you do from the time you wake up in the morning till you go to bed. You may ask, how is it important? My days are mostly not the same, so what should I do? How does it even matter to me? Etc. etc. So go ahead first and list your schedule. First, rest of the discussions comes next. Once you have your schedule, watch out for the things that you do which you are not proud of or not so happy about. Mark them out. Let us say your morning routine includes spending 30 minutes on social media while you would have made time for say working out or say read a book, helping your spouse or getting ready your kids or whatever you wanted to actually have. So go ahead and adjust that things in your schedule where you actually have marked out the things that you are not happy about. Identify all those you want to do and see where you can actually squeeze them into. It's not only about inserting them on a piece of paper, but actually inserting them as part of your everyday schedule. So keep that in mind. Start from one or say two things at a time. Make progress. Appreciate yourself that you did good. Then identify further things and continue doing it. There is a first time to everything that becomes a habit. So be it driving, swimming, or any other skill. There was always a first time. Keep in mind. So start from today. Do not postpone till tomorrow. Prepare your schedule today and start from tomorrow. Implement everything that you wanted, one or two things that you have planned for yourself right from tomorrow. One of my coaching classes, one of my participants wanted to spend 1 hour with his family every single day in the evening. He was unable to make it and then he was quite sad about it. So we had a conversation in the classroom and then he said he wanted to make that as a goal for himself so that he can go home and spend that time for his family. And regularly he did for the next 3 days while he was attending the session, and he was so very happy about spending time for his family, and then he wanted to continue doing it. So he went ahead and then did it. There will be another question about, I can control this, but how about things that happens in workplace where I do not have control over? What should I do? Fret not. Start with things that you have control over. You cannot change everything around you, but you can change yourself. That is what we will focus on first. If you have not seen Mark Wahlberg, a Hollywood actor who actually posted his rigorous schedule on the internet, what is that he do from the time he wakes up and the time he goes to bed. He wakes up at 2:30 a.m. in the morning and goes to bed at 7:30 p.m. in the night, which includes spending time for his fitness, his business, but family as well. So many people were jealous about his schedule. He keeps himself so fit and finds proper timing for everything in his day. Will his schedule not change? Of course it will. It actually depends on his movie shootings, plus his business meetings and so on and so forth. But other than that, it will actually become his regular schedule. Just like we have work week schedule and then weekend schedule, right? So it's kind of the same, isn't it? Many people used to copy his schedule and have given up. You know why? It is his schedule and not theirs. Make sense? So work on your schedule. Find one or two things that you want to adjust in your schedule. Adjust them. Follow it until it becomes a habit. Find other things and continue the same. Make time for things you always want and keep growing.